channel of Saigon Top Tour. Saigon Top Tour always brings you useful, detailed knowledge and information of the ideal destination in the region of Vietnam. Do not forget to like, follow and share about the video channel for everyone, and also book the tour at Saigon Top Tour. Saigon Top Tour, wishing you a happy, comfortable and unforgettable trip. Welcome to Saigon Top Tour to explore coconut land in Mekong Delta. Ben Tre province is also known as the Coconut Kingdom of the southwestern part and Mekong River of Vietnam. Ben Tre is one of 12 provinces in the southwestern region of Vietnam. Ben Tre is located in the Mekong Delta, also known as the Mekong River. From Ho Chi Minh city center to Ben Tre is about 88 kilometers and it takes about 1 hour 30 by car. Since ancient times, Ben Tre province has been known to many people as the fertile coconut land country, also known as the Coconut Kingdom of Vietnam, because here, coconut trees are planted everywhere from village to village. Every home garden has coconut trees. Haven't gone yet? We don't know Ben Tre. After we go, we know all boats and coconuts. Join Saigon Top Tour to explore a day tour in the Coconut Kingdom in the Mekong River. The tour itinerary is very unique and attractive, close to the typical and friendly activities of the countryside here. The Mekong River is one of the 12 longest rivers in the world. The Mekong River passes through 5 countries before reaching western Vietnam and emptying into the sea. In the southwest of Vietnam, there are 12 provinces and one big city called Can Tho City. Particularly, Ben Tre Coconut Village is very famous in Vietnam through poetry and song as well as through daily life. The coconut tree has been associated with many generations and childhood. Coming to the Kingdom of Coconut, you board the boat to depart upstream of Ben Tre River to see the daily life of the people on the river. Stop to visit brick kilns, see how to bake bricks by manual method. Continue to use motorboats along the interlaced canals to the village of Hon Than, a suburban commune of Ben Tre City. You stop at the orchard of the People's House, use fruit, exchange and enjoy the Southern Dong Cao Tai Tu performed by the local people. You continue to visit the coconut garden, enjoy coconut specialties at the garden, learn about the effective pineapple coconut farmer model of the coconut country, visit the coconut candy factory, enjoy the delicious hot coconut candy at the workshop, learn how to prepare coconut products such as peeling coconut, prying copra, processing coconut water and handicrafts made from coconut. You continue to visit the traditional mat weaving village of the people of Hon Than commune, using a motorbike, a classic, folk means of transport of the local people along the village road, through the vast coconut groves, watching the activities of the rural people. You have lunch at a local restaurant with a rustic and unique menu with southern cuisine. Continue your journey by rowing boat to explore the small natural canal with unspoiled flora and fauna ecosystems and cool, graceful coconut trees on both sides of the canal. You can show off your boating skills. A very interesting rowing contest. Saigon Top Tour always brings you many interesting tours that are practical with the daily life of local people and experience delicious food and friendly country people. Coming to Saigon Top Tour, you will enjoy a tour full of useful, attractive and unforgettable moments. Wish you a happy and impressive visit. Thank you for watching the video and see you in other attractive tour in other regions of the Mekong River such as floating market on the river and homestay in particular and other regions of the peaceful country Vietnam in general.